Now on to tonight's top story. One of the 4 teenagers charged in the deadly carjacking of this woman, Linda Frickey, will not be tried just yet.
A judge deemed her not competent to stand trial. She ordered the teenager be taken to a mental health facility. Eleanor Tabone talked to legal experts to find out what this means.
Of the 4 defendants, 16-year-old Linda Frickey has been deemed incompetent to stand trial and will spend 60 days in a mental health facility. Loyola University legal expert Dane Cialino says being deemed incompetent means Frickey, at this point in time, cannot help her attorneys with the fact-finding process and assist with her defence.
I would expect that in all likelihood, after she goes to the state mental hospital and she is placed under the care of psychologists and psychiatrists, that her competency will be restored and she'll be returned to the court for trial.
Linda Frickey was killed nearly a year ago after she was carjacked and she was dragged from the car for a city block in mid-city. Her arm was severed during the incident. Now, the case is back in the spotlight. For one, Linda Frickey's competency. Attorney Ken Barnes says during Frickey's 60-day stint, she will receive treatment to restore her competency.
What will be done, she'll be given narcotics, drugs to assist with it, but also there'll be therapies that the doctors may employ.
Our partners at NOLA.com reported that prosecutors argued Frickey did not suffer intellectual abilities, but instead refused to answer the psychiatrist's questions in an attempt to delay her trial. According to both experts, after the 60 days, she will be re-evaluated and will go through this process at trial again. Now, this could go on for months or years, and if she never gains competency, she could spend the rest of her life in hospital.
She could be committed involuntarily to a mental institution for a very long period of time.
The doctors also said in court that Frickey showed signs of depressive symptoms and hopelessness. Both legal experts say the judge deemed her depressive symptoms abnormal as opposed to anyone else standing trial. Eleanor Tabone, Eyewitness News.
The other 3 defendants will be tried on April 3rd. They are John Honore, who was 17 at the time of the carjacking, Markel Curtis, who was 15, and Brenaya Baker, who was 16. All of them are charged with second-degree murder. If they are convicted in adult court, they could face a life sentence with the possibility of parole after 25 years.